Hey everybody, Mike Wolford here with The Dude's Kitchen, and today we are going to restart our low carb series because, well, it's the first of the year and you know how everybody is. They've got to go on a diet. You know what? And over the last couple months I've gained 10 pounds, so it's probably time for me to get back on the wagon and start eating healthier, low carb. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to do some halibut. Back in October, myself, Steve the camera guy, and my son Chris went up to Alaska, Kodiak Island to be exact, and hung out with my brother. He works for the Fish and Game up there, and his boss happens to own a couple acres on an island called Little Raspberry. We hung out there for 4 days, went fishing, had a blast, guys. So much fun. At the end of this video, I will put some pictures and some videos of our trip. So anyhow, this piece of halibut here is one that we actually caught. This stuff is super simple to make, and it's so delicious. So here we go. We're going to cut this up into some pieces. It's a nice looking piece of fish right there, guys. It really is. Wash up real quick. The way we're going to do this is super simple. We're going to take 3 whole eggs. Maybe. Yep, 3 eggs for our wash. Maybe. Okay. 1, 2, and 3. Whisk them up. Everybody knows how to do this. This is just our wash. Not move that out of the way. Next part, we're going to take some panko breadcrumbs. Well, they're not really low carb, but I'm sure a lot lower than other things. Just going to put some in here. We're not going to get a whole heck of a lot on here, but enough. Pork rinds. Everybody's seen me smash these up before. This time I used a gin bottle to do it. Throw some pork rinds in here for some flavor. And mix them up a little bit. Take our first piece of fish, put it down into the pork rinds. Make it look good. That looks awesome. Do our next piece, same thing. Into the egg wash it goes. I know what you're saying. How come we didn't put salt and pepper in here? There's enough salt and pepper in here to begin with, guys, so I'm not too worried. Next piece of fish, in it goes. Coat it up. Looks amazing. And the last one, big one. Woohoo! And voila. Brush off the extra off this one because it got quite a lot. We're going to put these down into hot oil, so it's about 350. So we're going to start it and we'll be right back. We got our oil coming up to a temperature, but I don't have a thermometer. I have no idea where my 2 thermometers went. So a guy told me once, you want to tell if it's close to being done, hot oil, take a piece of panko, drop it in. I'm liking the sound of that. Let's try it with our fish. We're going to try our smaller piece first. One of the smaller. Drop it in. And the idea is the hotter the oil, the more that the panko will stay onto the fish. I'm going to turn it down just a little bit because I don't want this thing to start smoking. Look at that thing go to town now. Ooh, baby. And you're not seeing a lot of panko coming off the sides either, which is really nice. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm liking what I'm seeing, guys. Give it another flip. You sure start to smell it though. Wow, amazing. Smells awesome. Our next piece is going to go in. You don't want the crust to get too much, too black. As you can see, that thing is holding together quite nicely. And it looks amazing. I got a little sneak peek here for you guys. Oh yeah. I'm thinking this bad boy's done. Tartar sauce. So it does call for minced pickles, which I did, minced pickles. Calls for, I say a cup, but I'm not gonna do the exact recipe that they did. So I'm gonna do maybe half a cup of mayo. Oh, excuse me. It does call for half of a lime, juice of lime from a lemon. I'm gonna chuck it in there. Like that. I'm not going to get all of it because, well, this doesn't quite call for it. I'm going to use a little bit of cayenne pepper because you know me, cayenne pepper's the way to go, baby. A little cayenne. And just a wee bit of white vinegar, not much. We're going to stir it all together. Maybe. Stir it all together. Taste it. It's really good. I'm going to add a little bit more cayenne pepper. Yep. Awesome. I'm going to get some salt too. Throw it in. Not a lot. It's all the taste, guys. All this is to taste. What I like, you might not. There we go. Amazing. I'm gonna grab me some pieces of fish here. With my fork. Clear this up. You don't want to see that. Put some malt vinegar on it. Try it out. Wow. Holy moly. That's good. And I might have cooked the fish just a little too long because that's amazing, guys. A ton of flavor in this, a ton. One last try, one last taste. So there you guys have it. Low carb halibut. We use a piece of halibut. 3 eggs for a wash. Some panko breadcrumbs. Some pork rinds mashed up with a gin bottle. Make sure you do a gin bottle though, that's a must. And then our tartar sauce, pickles, mayo, cayenne pepper, a little bit of white vinegar, some salt. Boom, there you go. Thank you everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, please remember to like, subscribe, ring that bell, share, comment. We do dig your comments, guys. Love them. This channel's growing and I love it. So, and it's all to you guys. Thank you so much. Anyhow, remember, the dude abides, this time with low carb fish and chips. They're the bomb. There is absolutely a ton of flavor. And stay tuned. Right after this, I'm going to show you some highlights from our trip to Alaska. All right, guys, we'll talk to you later. Take care. Bye.
No, it's a weird looking fucking like.
It's a condom. Chris has never seen one.
It's a moving condom.
Hey everybody, we're here in Kodiak, Alaska, and we're at Kodiak Brewery. It's one of my favorite places to hang out here. So anyhow, the people are really cool in there. They're not really big on social media here, and I dig that. I really do. But anyhow, let's see if we can get somebody to talk about the place, or maybe show you a little bit around it. Anyhow, we'll see you inside. Hey everybody, Dude here, and I'm here with my friend Mavis, and we are at the Kodiak Brewery, and she's going to tell us a little bit about what she digs about this place. Mavis, tell us.
So there's always awesome people working, and you can always bring your dogs. There's also amazing beer here that you will always feel very at home in Kodiak.
Right on. Thank you so much, Mavis. Appreciate it. All right. Love your dog too, by the way.
Thank you. Say bye, Wilbur.
Say bye, Wilbur.
Say bye.
Thank you again.
Bye.
Let's say $2 per hour, $5.